Hello everyone, this is Cam. Welcome to my channel. So in today's video I'm going to show you how to reset the service light on the Mitsubishi Outlander. As you can see, the routine maintenance required. So all you need to do basically, turn the ignition off and you'll see a button right there near the steering wheel, which is this one here. So press that button. Okay, so you need to keep pressing it to until you find the service. So as you can see, that's the charging thing and that's the service. So when you see the service banner, that means you're in the menu. So you need to press and hold until it flashes and then press again. Now it's cleared. So it's all done. So you don't need any OBD reader or anything to do that. So thank you very much guys for watching my video, and make sure subscribe to my channel and click the bell icon next to it to get notified every time I upload a new helpful video. Thank you.